Hi guys, welcome back to A Little Bit of Everything Family. Welcome back to the Savannah and Em Kissing Show. Loving Each Other show. That's my daughter Savannah, my oldest, and this is Emmy. So we are here today to open new merch. Emmy's early birthday present came, straykids.com. So anybody who's a stray should know. So we are doing the unveiling of Emmy's early Christmas present. Stray Kids, let's get it. And this is how we open our packages with gigantic butcher knives.
I want to be careful. But I want to reach it.
Careful with that. Oy. Stray Kids in the making. Oh, we got paper.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Do it.
That is, yeah.
Did you get anything else or is that it?
All right, and we'll do a second part to show you guys what's inside that exactly. That's her favorite guy right there. All right, so okay, you want to say anything?
What I would say.
You want to say anything? Thank you.
I don't know what to say.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be sending our love from our family to yours. Merry Christmas, Emmy.